Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. I am Bimal, and in today's guide video, I will simply show you how you can temporarily deactivate your Instagram account. So make sure to watch this video till the end. But before we get started, if you are new to our channel, make sure to leave a like, hit that subscribe button, and without any further ado, let us get started with today's video. So first of all, let me go ahead and simply open Instagram. Once you open Instagram, you can see this is how the interface is going to look like. Let's say I want to delete this Instagram account, for example, and I want to temporarily deactivate it. If you're using from your mobile, we are not going to do it from the app. Instead, we are going to log in from our mobile browser. So we're going to exit out of Instagram and then open any of the mobile browser which we have. Once we open any of the browser which we have on our phone, you can see this is how it is going to look like. At the very top of the screen, in the search bar, you have to simply type in instagram.com. Once you go to instagram.com, make sure that you log into the account which you want to deactivate. For example, let's say that this is the account which I want to deactivate. From the very bottom right hand side, simply tap on your profile icon. Once you tap on your profile icon from your browser and go to your profile page, what you have to do is at the very top, you can find the option called Edit Profile. So all we're going to do is simply tap on Edit Profile. As you tap on Edit Profile again, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Here we are going to scroll down all the way to the bottom of the screen. And right here you can find this option which says Temporarily Deactivate My Account in the text which is highlighted in blue. So all we have to do is tap on Temporarily Deactivate My Account. Once you tap on Temporarily Deactivate Your Account, you'll be able to see a bunch of different options. Here, you have to simply select the reason why you are deactivating your account. So let me go ahead and simply select it. And you could go ahead and simply select any of the reasons which you want. And in order to confirm the deactivation process, you have to simply enter your password. So go ahead and enter the password for your Instagram account. Once you enter the password for your Instagram account, at the very bottom of the screen, you can find the option which says Temporarily Deactivate Account. So all you have to do is tap on Temporarily Deactivate Account. You can read there, it says, you're about to temporarily deactivate account. Go ahead, so simply tap on Yes. As you tap on Yes, you would have successfully temporarily deactivated your Instagram account. If you want to reactivate it, go ahead and simply re-log in using your own password. We hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.